Now we're going to walk through internal reporting. So internal reporting on projects is all your internal projects just for your organization. And in this scenario, it would be for the peak bodies. So if you're using Tidy for your own project tracking, this is a really good tool to use as an overview to see how the projects are going. So I'm just going to walk you through these steps. So if you head over to the project section and head into reporting, now you'll notice last time we were on the Enterprise tab. Now we're going to head over to Internal Reports. Now you can see here already that we've got a bit of a breakdown. So at the moment I have a total of 3 projects and I also have a total of 3 outstanding projects. And currently it's giving me how many have actually been completed and what the completion rate is. So out of all 3, I haven't fully completed my projects. Now, this is a really good tool just to give you an insight of what's going on. So you can see my 3 here. What's the current status? They're all in progress at the moment. They've got their own little labels that I've added. And then we've got the completion rate. So you can see this one at the bottom, which is our staff onboarding for Joel here. So he's nearly done here. We've nearly completed it. The due date was actually on the 1st of December. So it is overdue. And you can see it's overdue by 7 days. So best we move on to that one. And you can also see who's actually the project assignee here. So if you're using that project assignee area, you can see who's assigned to that. Okay, you can follow up with those team members. Now this is a really good tool. So you've got multiple projects going on. You can come in here, you can search. You can filter out by certain labels. So if you just want to break down on one type of label, if you're using the labels, that would be quite helpful. So as an example, if you've got multiple internal health checks that you're doing, then you can also report on that. And then also over here, if I am the assignee here, so we'll apply. So I can see how Jasmine's tracking on all her projects, okay? Maybe Jasmine has fallen behind, she might have been away, she's on leave, maybe she's departed the business, okay? So I can see where she's at and then, you know, offer some support there or just see where she's at with those tasks on those projects. And that's how you use internal reporting. Now, one cool little tip here for you as well is you can actually export this information out into a spreadsheet so you can manipulate the data. Thanks for watching.